let's learn how to make the colored gelatin for the flowers in our jellos. And our ingredients are 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, half a cup of condensed milk, half a teaspoon of artificial flavoring, liquid or gel food colors of your choice, 3/4 of a tablespoon of titanium dioxide, which is the white icing color. We use the titanium dioxide as a primer to ensure a solid, non-transparent color. Do not let the scientific name intimidate you. This is used in many of our everyday products, like in powdered sugar, creamers, or candy, to make them a white color. But if for any reason you do not wish to use it, you can use a white food coloring without it. In a half a cup of water, we're going to dissolve our gelatin. Remember to whisk away all the lumps. We're gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes or until all the liquid has been absorbed. And now we're gonna put it in the microwave for about 1 minute or until it's all melted, depending on your microwave. But we do not want to overheat it. We're gonna put our condensed milk in our mixing bowl. And add our other half a cup of water to our milk, and we're gonna mix it well. Add the gelatin that we previously melted, and we stir. We are going to put a little bit of our mixture, about a half a cup, in a separate bowl, and add the titanium dioxide. This is an easier and faster way to incorporate our mixture. And then we add this to our previous mixture. Now we just add the flavor, and it's ready for us to play with our colors. I have poured some of my mixture in small containers to do different colors. If you choose to create a white flower, you do not need to do anything else. This is ready for you to use. I prefer to use liquid colors since it is faster to mix, but you can use gel colors too. Just try to stay away from the powders since this will make your Jello taste salty. You can use this gelatin right away, or you can preserve it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days, and whenever you're ready to use it, just melt it in the microwave for a couple seconds. Or you can also do a bain-marie.